Good afternoon, YouTube. I hope you're having an okay day because we're seeing a lot of action out there with Dogecoin and BONK and Sui and a lot of other of the altcoins. And I know I had so many people reaching out today asking, hey, Mo, what's going on? Are we seeing the big profit taking that's going to be more than just profit taking? Is this a reversal that could lead to weeks, if not months, of the pain train? And we don't like the pain train. We want the gain train. And that's what I'm going to go over in this video for some of these altcoins. If you want to see what I believe for XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, you go to the main channel. This is the one where I am talking alt. I am Crypto Mo here. You guys know that, and that's what we're going to teach about. I am here as an educator trying to help people understand charts and, of course, the charts of their favorite altcoins. And that's what we're going to do today. So I'll continue in this lesson. There's some warnings. There's some big warning signs out there, some things I'm concerned about, and I am going to watch these and teach what I look for in this video. But for those who have not done it, now I got some good news down below. Click the first link. That is the membership. We have that right now, 50% off if you use code LEARN, L-E-A-R-N, and you guys can join up right there to become part of the community with thousands of members. And we have a join button down below if you would like to support the Crypto Mo channel. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do to help those who do join as members here on the channel. I think I'm probably going to do, and the problem is you can join and but there is no way to get it connected to the Discord. You're only allowed one YouTube channel at a time to be in each individual YouTube channel Discord. So I think what I'll do is I'll make just for the Crypto Mo channel. Tell me what you think about this for people who support this channel, that I will make videos that are members only, just the altcoins, going over that here on the Crypto Mo channel. Unfortunately, it's like a good bad thing. You can't have access to the Discord, but you can get some videos that no one else can see, and it's kind of it's a happy medium, I believe. And so there you go. And there you go. Now, for everybody in the Discord said, well, Mo, there's nothing I can do about it, but I will answer the questions in the Discord, of course, for anybody who has them. You guys know that. I'm always sharing what I can. Yeah, so that's my thought. Let me know what you think about it before I make a final decision. Let me know down below. Now, as we go, the second link down below is for the webinar. The webinar has the spots open today. And this is where I teach for an hour. I go over my 4-step framework. I teach you how to learn the technicals. Get in there, take advantage of that. And my third link, of course, Kraken. You guys know this is where I do my trading, and you guys can take advantage of that as well. You can turn that into XRP, whatever you want. It's up to you. Take advantage of it. Now, let's go ahead, dig into the charts, take a look at what's going on with Doge, see what's happening today. And of course, on the 1 hour chart, as you can see, what I've been watching for on this, and you guys can see this right here, I'm kind of watching that bottom, all right? And you guys, we had that nasty drop, and we're right here on these finishing candles. So I'm starting to connect the dots, trying to find a line of support to watch. Where are we going here? And are we going to get a higher low over the hours? And that's the goal. And so, as you can see, we got up, we hit the 50 EMA, and it stayed bearish. The 50 EMA was hit, and we pushed back down. And now we have a higher low, and that's what we want to see in these closing candles. But it's not over. You can see we're on a candle right now that, are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? What's happening? And so that's kind of what I'm watching for. Like I said, there's always a few things that I watch for when it comes to this. And we're going to see if this kind of plays in there. And you guys see what I'm forming here. And if we break below here, are we going to wash? Possibly. If we break up and we break above here, are we going to take off? Possibly. This is what I watch for. What we really need to do on the hour candle, though, for Dogecoin and my Dogecoin price prediction. And, you know, is Dogecoin still one of the best cryptos to buy now? That answer has yet to be seen. But I can tell you this. As you are watching and you are trying to learn how to read these charts, I like to find a good support down here, and I like to find a good resistance up here, create it. What do we see? What kind of pattern are we looking for? All of this and more, combine them, and then make the best decision. Now, I'm just holding personally. I'm watching this one. I want to see how the weekend goes. And of course, on the hour chart, you can see the 50s coming down. I want to give this a shot to hold up. But and I'll show you this, what would make me extremely concerned, I think it would get nasty at this point for at least a few hours, is this right here. So you have this higher low, but if we fail there, and you can see it tested right here and pushed back up a double bottom, if we failed here and have the candle finish lower here, to me, that's a sign that we're going to have more drop. And that's not good for those. So, and this is where if I was a swing trader, I'd probably take a short position. I'm long this now, and I'm just watching, but I'm just telling you, that's something I would watch for. Now, moving over to the daily candle on Dogecoin and checking it out, what we're seeing, you know it's red. It is red. And not in a good way. And so as we come down, you can see my lines are there that we have right here. And as I'm watching this, you can see we're still above the 50 EMA, which is good, still bullish. And let's go ahead and, well, I'm going to have to erase some of these just so you can see what I'm kind of watching here. You have the support down here, boom, 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 boom. I was waiting to get back up here, and we're still holding, but the 5's coming down on the daily. And there's a chance we go to the 50. I'm a little concerned about it. We're still in a good zone. We're still bullish. Even the RSI's at 51. We're above the 50. We just need one nice green candle, and I'll have my hopes restored. And that's what I'm watching there. Now move to BONK. You guys know I like to pull up BONK on these, and it's a different story. BONK is a different story. Why? Remember when I showed you the support and I had this here? And I told you as long as we don't confirm below, what do you see right here? You see the confirmation. And that is one where when I'm trading and I do my live teaching sessions, and I call it, we're doing it live with real dough. I will come in here and I show this. And this is a setup I love. And this is a setup where if I'm doing calls or puts or whatever, this is one where I see the 5 come down. We have a big candle breaking support. We have a confirmation candle and the 13 about to hit. This is one where I love the puts. Unfortunately, I'm in it long. So this is one of them things you can use to guide you. But the RSI is a 41. I mean, it's the perfect, if you reverse this and put it on top, that's a perfect call. Now that it's on the bottom, it's a perfect put. And so I am concerned. I'm watching. I'm kind of following a lot of different cryptos. So I will give it a little bit, but this normally is not a good sign for me. I'm going to let this candle finish off, and then I will make up my mind what I'm going to do. That's on that. Now we go to the hour candle. Maybe there's some hope. Maybe we have a little bit of hope. So we come in and take a look at the hour because I haven't looked at it. Now we're going to look at it. Yeah, it's exactly what I thought. Bearish. So now we have this reverse Stockmo unicorn. That's where you have a big drop. We come over, and you might have another drop. It is definitely setting up. We broke the Bollinger Band where we would expect to go up and hit the 13 to 50 EMA as short term, as a relief bounce, and then we'll see if it's just a bull trap. Definitely some things I'm looking at. SUI, let's go ahead and take a look at SUI on the hour chart. Whew, exact same thing. Wow. Yeah, reverse. I call this a reverse Stockmo unicorn. Never a good sign unless you are a bear, and then you're loving it. On the daily candle, though, when it comes to SUI, and I'm just going over a bunch of quick ones for you. Let's get the price up there on that one. Boom. And as you can see, I had this line up here as resistance. We hit it, push back down. We're above the 50. We're at 49.48 on the RSI, just a tad bearish. We are still above the 50. The 50, in my opinion, would act as support, so that's what I'd watch. Right around 359. 359? Yeah, 359 is the line, and that's what I'd be watching. We're at 368 right now. Get below that 50 and confirm, and that's where I get nervous. And that's what I watch for when it comes to these altcoins. And I know a lot of you are watching like Shiba Inu. We'll do this one and we'll call it here. And this is one where, you notice when I always show you like SUI, that last one, I'll say to you, if we break below the 50 and confirm, that's what this is. And look at the 5 and the 13 coming down. This is, as I knock my microphone around, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is what I don't want to see. In other words, I'm not all warm and fuzzy about this. And so I will be watching and, of course, making moves in the Discord. If you guys are not a part of the Discord, get in there with that first link down below. Code LEARN today. Do the earner tier. We have 36 learning lessons, live teaching sessions twice a week. We got the expert traders in there. We got the breadbot charts to help you. All this and more, folks. It is we have thousands of members. Come over and check it out. Second link down below is the live, or I should say the webinar that we did. It's an hour long. We have the spots open now, and it's awesome. It is absolutely awesome. If you haven't gotten in there, check it out today and sign up for your spot. All right, and of course, the last link is over to Kraken. Take advantage of that as well. I appreciate you stopping by. I will see you in the Discord.